The Havahart Large Collapsible Live Animal Trap is designed for humane trap and release of cats, raccoons, groundhogs, and similar-sized animals. Using the included gloves, grab the handle and lift up to unfold the trap. Snap both sides of the back panel into the retainer clips. Then secure the base of the back panel to the trap frame with the fastener rings. Fold the support frame under the trap to secure the trap's shape. Before setting, ensure the trigger rod is fully engaged with the trip plate. The rod should sit flush against the trap. Lift the trigger rod and secure it into the hooked end of the trigger rod connection. Squeeze the wire door lock frame and pull up on the cage door. Lift the connected trigger rod and latch the trigger hook to the cage door. You can control trigger sensitivity by adjusting the depth of the hook placement. Use low sensitivity for heavier target animals and high sensitivity for lighter animals. Gently release the cage door. It should stay open. The trap is now set. Test the trap by using a pencil to push down on the trip plate, then reset. Place the bait behind the trip plate at the back of the trap. Be sure to check your trap at least once a day to avoid causing stress or harm to a trapped animal. To collapse the trap for storage, disengage the trigger rod from the trigger rod connection. Fold the support frame so it rests on top of the trap. Unclip the fastener rings and push in the back panel. Next, squeeze the wire door lock frame and pull up on the cage door to collapse the trap. With the trap upside down and the door on your right, fold the trap toward you. Then, fold the sides over.